Welcome to Futures Microlearning, brought to you by the Business and Employability team at Norwich University of the Arts. These short, focused sessions are designed to give you practical tools, tips, and insights to support your creative career. Bookkeeping and self-assessment. Bookkeeping is the process of recording and tracking all the money that comes in and goes out of your business. A self-assessment tax return is how you report your income and expenses to HMRC so they can calculate the tax you need to pay.
My name is Jo Stafford and I'm a Norwich University of the Arts alumni. I studied graphic design and illustration and graduated in 2007. I would describe myself as a freelance creative as I do a lot of different things to make up my freelance practice. When I started freelancing in 2008, I quickly realised there was a lot more to it than just being creative. Here are my 3 tips for managing your freelance finances. Number 1, don't leave it to the last minute. So currently the self-assessment tax return deadline is the end of January, but the financial year runs from April to April. So you can submit your tax return any time from April to the end of January. But really don't leave it till January because it's Christmas, and if you leave it till January it'll just be really stressful, and if you have any issues you won't have any time to sort them out. Number 2, keep records. It's really important to keep track of everything you're spending on your business and everything you earn from your business. How you do this is up to you, so just find the way that works best for how you like to work. You can start a spreadsheet, you can use a banking app, or you can do it manually with files and folders. Number 3, freelance friends. It's good to have people who are in the same boat as you and going through the same things as you. So find your freelance friends who are also having to do things like self-assessment tax returns. With my friends, we even started a tax club where we'll do our self-assessment tax returns together so we can help each other, and it makes the whole thing just less daunting. So the reasons I've picked those as tips is from my experience. There was a time when I didn't keep records and I left things to the last minute, and it is just really stressful because it's January and you're trying to sort everything out, sort out your whole year's worth of accounts and get it submitted by the deadline. And there was also a few issues that I didn't understand at the time, and I was trying to ring the tax office and everyone's trying to ring them in January to sort it out, so the wait times are just insanely long. And so from then on I decided to make sure that I always kept records and kept on top of my accounts, and so now I do them every month so that when it comes to submitting my tax return it's just really easy because essentially I've already done it by chipping away at it throughout the year.
Bookkeeping is essential for creative freelancers because it helps you stay in control of your finances even if numbers aren't your favourite thing. By keeping clear and accurate records of your income and expenses, you can track how your business is performing and avoid unexpected tax bills. As a sole trader, the easiest way to manage your finances is through single-entry bookkeeping. This simple method lets you record each transaction once, either as money coming in or money going out. You can get started with a spreadsheet. Just make sure you include 1. The date of the transaction, 2. A short description of the work or expense, and 3. The amount. Many of your costs can be claimed as business expenses, which reduces the amount of tax you'll need to pay. For example, you can include travel expenses, the cost of your work phone, online courses, workshops or webinars, software subscriptions such as Adobe Creative Cloud, and equipment like a laptop. Tip: set aside around 30% of your income to cover tax and national insurance. To keep your freelance finances simple, we would recommend you follow these key tips. 1. Track everything in one place. Create a simple spreadsheet where you log all your transactions. Always note down every payment you receive and every expense to ensure nothing is missed. 2. Use exact dates. Record the dates when money actually enters or leaves your account to keep your records accurate and easy to match with your bank statements. 3. When submitting your self-assessment tax return, make sure your bookkeeping is up to date Have your unique taxpayer reference and national insurance numbers ready. Remember, the UK tax year runs from the 6th of April to the 5th of April of the following year. Your online tax return must be filed by the 31st of January after the end of each tax year. But don't leave it until then. You can submit it any time from the 5th of April. If you need a bit of help to calculate your tax and national insurance, you can use the UK government's online calculator to estimate these for you. Thanks for watching. If you didn't find what you were looking for or need more support, please get in touch with us at careers@norwichuni.ac.uk.